Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be scrapbooking my trip to Lisbon, Portugal. Let's get started. Now, because I went on this trip over 2 years ago, I don't quite remember all the sites and the pictures I took, but I love adding site names and addresses in here, so I had to do a bit of research ahead of preparing my page. I usually end up carrying receipts and pamphlets home with me, but unfortunately I didn't save too much to add to this project. But I did get a lot of beautiful pictures of the city streets and the food, and I do have travel information saved in my email that I can print out. So I think I'll make a 2-page spread consisting of my photographs, commentary, stickers, and stock photo. Okay, now let's start arranging everything to see what looks good. I've also added some symbols related to their culture, such as the rooster of Barcelos, sardines, which is the traditional food staple, and the Portuguese flag, along with a printout of my flight information. If you've been to Lisbon, Portugal, I'd love to hear what cool sights you saw while roaming around. I went on this trip at the beginning of the pandemic. The date was January 25th, 2020, and I really wasn't even aware of the gravity of the situation. I remember everyone at the airport uncertain on how to act and the mood being very eerie. So while it was fun visiting a beautiful European city, it was the calm before the storm moment for me, and I guess it's something worth mentioning in my scrapbook. I also have some craft paper here that I'm just going to rip into pieces and glue it as part of the background, just so that the background's not all black. I'm going to use pink and this brown world map paper that I have. And, it doesn't have to look even. I love the messy look. I actually glued some of these pictures down, but I'm also going to use some white and gold and black and gold washi tape, and I'm just going to rip the tape apart because I want to stick with that messy look. I'd love to hear if you prefer the white and gold or the black and gold washi tape. I have gold and white chalk markers that I'm going to try to use since my scrapbook is black, but my pages are pretty packed, so I can't really get much on there. I'm going to attempt to use my stencil just to add in some embellishment if I can fit it in there. Now that I have everything glued on, the final steps for me would be to add in any commentary to explain the story of my trip onto the pictures, and also add in any stickers related to my travel to help fill in any awkward space. Now, I happen to have this sticker book that I've been using for my other scrapbooking projects, which is full of European related stickers, and luckily there's a Portugal sticker and a bunch of plain stickers that I can use. So since I've essentially run out of space to write anything further on this project, I took an index card, divided it into 3, and folded it like a pamphlet, which should give me more space to write some stuff. And there you have it, my trip to Portugal scrapbook. Thank you so much for watching, and if you love this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Also, I'm on my journey to get my first 10 subscribers and would love it if you would subscribe and hit the bell to get notified next time I release a new video.